back with another video. She can't stop laughing. This was including the mukbang, y'all. Pay attention now.
Oh, Lord.
I need y'all to get on in now.
Yes.
She is the outer me.
Yes.
Like, get in there, okay? Because we about to snatch. Y'all.
Okay, no. Put the plate back down.
Yo, she bought this plate out.
No, stop. I got
she
the whole.
bought you tutus right here.
I got all the colors. Stop.
Oh my God. Okay. So we got the scissors. We got the little clamp things. What they call them now?
I don't know.
Hold on.
But they not breaking them.
They not breaking them, girl. We got
the nutcracker.
Ooh. Nutcracker.
Yeah, you gotta
put that right there in my juice, y'all. Kaden said I could have it. Okay. So this one gonna be on question and answer. What's wrong with it?
That is a weapon.
I tried to eat that. But folks is out there watching me. They kept passing by, girl.
The season smells good.
It smells good.
Good.
Good. I'm gonna turn it this way. Oh.
You came in first thing you got the scissors.
I dropped my top, but I'm on CQ. And then, you know, to call me, I got to go. Can't be rolling like Batman. Superman, you know. I'm going to leave it on, though, so hopefully it ain't too messy. But, see, I told you I tried eating. So go on ahead and go on to start. But I'm going to start, and I'm going to just, these are the questions, though, y'all. Okay? You not going to get none? Oh, yeah, forget. Your mama got to open them for you. Girl, get out of here. I should have took my ring off. Thanks, darling. Okay, so first question. Somebody. Oh, you got it. Good job. Got it. You gonna see that right there. Right there. Okay, so somebody said how to stay faithful in a room full of hoes. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. I don't know, like.
Oh, I can't say that. But you break it out.
I can't even. Yeah, I can't even say like I don't know, like Lord. Ooh, lick it off now. Got it. She said, "Got it." Regardless of who you surrounded by, what you surrounded by, if you're in a relationship, you should be loyal. Period.
Period.
Period. Okay.
Because
it's not that hard.
These houses everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
In church too.
Ooh, she better. She better preach in church too. Okay. So you in a relationship with somebody. I can cut it right here. Yes, ma'am. Just get that scissors and go on in there.
Scissors gonna be dirty.
You know, be faithful in the room, regardless of what or who you surrounded by. Be faithful. You with somebody. Don't be with somebody just to be with them, and temptation come your way and you can't handle it. What's the point of being in a relationship?
Right, you might as well be single.
Singularity.
Messing with these people, emotions and stuff.
Y'all know that'll get you killed, right? Okay.
In a heartbeat, no thought about it.
Doop, 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 doop.
Look at.
She got her little bit of meat out.
Let me get it now.
Let me get it now.
Let me get it down there.
What's that?
That is, it's some meat right here too, baby.
Girl. I normally get like the big ones. I wanted to get the Albertsons. I know. They've been out everywhere. Albertsons. Like, I went yesterday and they steam machine was down, so I ain't really getting them.
My thing is, I told him, I said, we're gonna order some crabs to go. And I kind of figured he knew it's going to be the biggest of the biggest because, yeah. And then when I said it, he said, oh, we're out of that.
Listen. Girl.
Baby.
No, sir. No, sir. So I was just like, forget it. I think I'm going to order them next week and I'm going to do another video. Girl, don't play with your food now.
Ooh. Oh, she got the magic touch.
Okay. Next question. Why did you get married?
Because I found the love of my life. Oh, I was about to say to be nasty with one person for the
Girl, shoot that too, honey. It come with the whole package, baby. Whole package. Be nasty, filthy, cutting up with one person
for the rest
of your life.
When
I tell y'all, I'm a Virgo, okay? We all about finding love.
Hold on, I'm a Gemini.
I don't know about them.
Hold on, what's wrong with Gemini?
Oh, girl, I don't know. I ain't say nothing, honey.
Hold on, we the best ones. I think Gemini is the best sign.
I know she lying.
They are, like, who is better than a Gemini? I wait.
Virgo. You waited long enough. Virgo.
Your wait is over.
Virgo, okay? But I got married to him because I love him. I love my Christopher.
Y'all, they is so silly. Like, they are silly together. They are perfect. They are, like, you know, you looking for that piece for the puzzle, that one last piece for the puzzle, and then you're like, oh, found it. That's what happened. That's what happened. That's
I'm gonna play with you.
That's the perfect way to. It's taking me forever to cut this.
Yeah, because I feel like I'm eating all of this by myself.
It's okay. I got arts and crafts going on over here.
Mm-hmm. But it's not arts and crafts. It's food. It's time to eat.
Ooh, but look. Look at that.
Oh.
Baby, they ain't ready.
Y'all ain't ready.
Ooh.
Look at that. A wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. A wiggle, wiggle. But yeah, y'all, I done found my love. And you know the crazy thing is, I told myself, I ain't gonna marry nobody that's, first off, this man is dark. He is just beautiful dark. I said I ain't gonna marry nobody that was, you know, as dark as him. I ain't gonna marry nobody that have anything to do with any tobacco. You ain't gonna marry nobody that, man, this man I came along and said, you thought, face ass. It's okay.
Now look at him.
Now look at me. Crazy over him.
Too crazy.
Crazy.
You gotta pick up the scissors. You gotta hold the scissors.
No, baby, I ain't gotta hold no scissors. This scissors ain't gonna do shit. Don't mess with my man. Don't do that. Don't mess with him.
Don't mess with mommy. Is it meat in here too? Like, can I break this?
Oh, she said, is there meat in here too? Okay, somebody said, biggest pet peeve of being a parent. Telling me how to raise my child. Somebody tell me like what I gotta do, what's right for him, what not to buy, what not to get. It's my first child now. Kaden is spoiled. My little Kaden is spoiled. Ooh, this thing sting. I gotta cut my thumb.
Oh. When you that's how you find out when you gotta cook. When you get to eating that seafood and that spice get in there.
Ooh, it
now you seasoned. Now you get it. Oh, I got a joke. No,
do not tell this joke.
No, the light on the timer, so we gotta come over here and move. Okay, so
y'all listen to this.
Yeah, let me tell the joke. Okay, let me tell the joke. You don't know the joke, so act like you don't know the joke. Okay. I'm gonna ask you.
Oh my God, I can't wait. Come on.
Okay, so how do you know a train has been by?
Wow. How do you know?
How do you know?
Choo choo?
No, because of the tracks. The tracks.
Oh, the tracks! Yeah, girl.
That joke is funny. I do not know what you're talking about.
She's the only one.
That joke is
that I'm talking about dying laughing. Everybody else is like, I'm not understanding what.
That is funny.
You know what?
That is funny.
All that matters, if it's funny to you, that's all that matters, boo. That is all that matters. Look at all this juice coming out of here.
Ooh!
Squirt, squirt. She said, so they didn't want to put like no corn or nothing in here, not even a couple of scrimp.
Ooh, not scrimp.
Girl.
They don't even have an egg, so yeah. That's El Paso for you.
They got plenty of corn here, so I don't know why they're playing.
I gotta pick out the little pieces.
Somebody asked, how did you meet Mr. Lovely?
We waiting.
Oh, don't do me.
What's this? You eat that too?
Yeah. Let's meet you here.
How? How is there meat in there?
You gotta like,
I don't want this one there. I want okay.
Okay.
Oh, look. Baby. Jackpot.
Ooh.
Okay,
This is jackpot. Okay, so I remember being nighttime. Well, how he go about saying how he really met me first was in a club and I was drunk dancing with my dude and he came up to dance with me. First off, my husband, Christopher, you extra, okay, boo? But I'm glad you did what you did because we wouldn't be together if you wasn't so extra. But
ain't nothing wrong with a little extraness.
girl, I was with my ex, okay? The man who had, okay, so y'all, thank goodness my husband did what he did because my ex had a pregnant fiance in New York while he was with me. That's a little taste of little married, little army little boys for y'all, okay?
La boys. La boys.
Underline and capitalize it. La boys.
Say it again. La boys.
La boy. I don't care how you say it, just say it. But
That's what they are.
we was at the barracks, you know, just out there drunk, having a good time. Oh, be careful, honey.
It flew. They caught wind.
Yeah, find it Monday. But I don't know, we was out there drunk or whatever, and I was passing by the little front door, and he pulled me. He was like, "What's your name?" I feel like he knew my name, but
so he was smooth.
He was smooth. Ain't gonna lie. He asked for my phone. I put his phone number in there, okay?
Oh.
Because every time I was in the MP unit, I told him, I ain't say like what my MOS was, I just said I was in the MP unit. So, you know, everybody assumed I'm an MP. Okay.
Right.
He was like, so, you're going to get my number so when I'm in trouble, I know who to call. I said, how you know I'm going to want to bail you out of some trouble? And from that point on,
you been bailing him out of trouble.
Bailing him out of trouble.
Did that just make your legs shake?
Your leg, the whole body, the whole soul.
Oh, she nasty.
Oh, she nasty. But
that was funny.
Yeah, y'all, that's
how it happened.
That's my Christopher. That's my baby.
Oh,
that's my baby. I'd do anything for that man.
Hold on, did you have to?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Who the funniest nigga you met? Who's the funniest?
Well, I mean, I just told you that joke. I'm not a guy or anything, but I just told you that joke.
I hope you thought you was that funny, boo.
Oh wow.
All right.
That is a funny joke. But
it tickled your little soul. It did it to you.
Cause it's funny.
It did it to you.
Cause it's funny.
Okay. Anyway.
Y'all don't have a sense of humor.
Okay. Anyway. I think that's a broad question. There's a lot of funny people. Okay. Y'all, that's even the late one. She always want to like be a part of some shit, but want to arrive late.
Push it.
Hurry up! We're in the middle of a video.
Oh, That was good.
Well, I mean, you late, baby. What you got? You got some sour cream with that?
No, I asked.
That's exactly why she said that.
Because ain't no sour cream in this household.
Okay?
Yeah.
But
What are we talking about?
I think it's just a question and answer. Like, you can just pitch in and say something if you want to.
I don't even know the question.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, okay. Not your
Let's see. I think Cat Williams is funny. But the person I asked this was Washington. He funny.
No.
Washington, you funny.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He's really not. Let me tell you
He's
what this
monotone, but he is funny.
Let me tell you what this boy used to do. We used to be in the office, right? And every time I would move a step, he'd go.
Or when I would be like, no.
And I didn't think that was
You
funny.
see how he funny?
No.
Because you was just cracking
Or
up.
he used to say, I sound like that lady off of what's that show called?
I don't even know.
With the hormone monster.
The what now?
What is it called? Okay, but it's a show with the little hormone monster. I can't think of the name. But he used to be like, I sound like the female hormone monster, and then it'd be like bubble bites. He said I sound like that.
What the hell?
That it be like, I'm going through change. That's the.
Like, Cat Williams is funny. Dave Chappelle is funny. Even Elam right here is funny. She funny.
I'm not. I'm not funny at all.
I just might be just.
But you won't say I'm funny. But she funny.
I just do funny things when I'm 100% serious.
Hold on.
This one right here with the train tracks, y'all.
That see?
It's funny because she tried getting everybody to laugh at it.
It's funny.
That was not funny.
It,
The situation was funny because your face after they were like, it's not funny. That face right there.
because it's funny.
And we all be trying to figure out, like, what is she talking about? And some of us too serious. We just, like, didn't have to lay down the tracks first and then the train came onto it. No.
Exactly. So the
But
train.
just because the train, like, just because the tracks
No.
it doesn't mean the train went over it.
Yeah. Yes, it does.
I thought it was a sexual joke.
No.
I thought it was
funny.
a sexual
It's
joke.
definitely funny.
I legit thought it was a sexual
It's
joke.
definitely funny.
She thought it was a section. I did too. Like a train being ran on. Okay.
No.
Sorry
Okay.
that our minds don't went there, but it did.
Yeah,
Give
they
me some juice.
Oh, what a meat. I like these little things.
You've been robbed.
Where'd you get this from, King Crab?
She blessed me. Shout out to my baby, y'all. She leaving us.
Y'all, it's okay.
Work will not be the same.
Oh,
Still got Elam to
but
hold on to.
Well, when you say it like that means I'm funny.
But they taking away my baby. For no reason.
No reason. Tell me again.
But that's one other day.
That should be one of the questions.
We can make it one.
No. That's gonna take up the whole YouTube. The whole YouTube channel.
But let's see. This question, what has your experience been like so far in the Army? Do you plan to make it a career?
Hell no, screw this hoe.
Oh my goodness, you had.
Well, let's get right to the point now, shall we?
Well, when you say it like that.
Okay.
What's in there? Oh, you got. Oh, okay, yeah. I knew it. I knew it was in there.
things. That's annoying. Look, like YouTube videos we doing. But let me see. My experience so far, it's an experience that a lot of people ask me. You think I should join the Army? Should I do this and that? Should I do? I'm like, it's an experience that everyone has to go through themselves. Everyone's footprint is different. It's different paths. It's what you make of it, but at the same time, it's different. Embrace the suck. That's the first thing you're gonna learn when you go to MEPS and all of that. Embrace the suck.
Or hurry up and wait.
Hurry up and wait. That's the next one.
Oh no, let me tell y'all.
Let me tell you to be someone they not even know.
They not even. They not even there. Damn it, I gotta turn it down. Let it go.
But
Ooh!
that was
Don't pull it out like that.
juicy one. Girl, when I buy these other crab legs, y'all don't really see what meat looks like. Okay, but
I'm right here.
I got you. But
What is that?
potato.
Potato. You can eat
You
that.
want it? You can eat that. She can even eat crab legs if she wanted to.
Nah, baby, look, you not about to pass out with us. Go on, eat the little potato.
A little potato. But,
I don't want to be in the video, like, my face ain't cute.
Why?
Just go and put your hand in there. It
Look at
might
how
blend
I
in with
look.
the
I'm gonna
light.
see you.
Look at her.
Right,
Put your hand.
Watch
It might
the
blend in with the light.
But honestly, like I've been telling a lot of people, I don't know if I'm gonna make it a career. I'm honestly taking it one day at a time. This Army is getting more and more weaker and intolerable at the same time. Okay? There's some things that you would think that they would do and come up with, and they don't. It's like we're backtracking like 10 million steps. And then you take one step forward, you go back another 10 million. Like, and then a lot of shit that they do is stupid.
And then
Stupid.
people always hiding behind their rank. Like, you act like when you take that uniform off, I'm not finna hit you with my car.
Or tell y'all that's the whole. Don't
Say
that's
that
a whole
on
nother
camera.
little thing. That's a whole
Oh
nother
my
little
God,
thing.
they gonna use the video at the
Tell
end.
y'all, this rank out here saving a lot of folks.
Well, can I say it? I ain't in the Army, so.
Shut up.
And by the time I upload this, she probably won't be.
But no, I mean the military though. A lot of people come in like I came in because I had nothing else to do. I didn't want to sit at home.
Same.
Like
I got
to
my
get
associate's degree in biology and pre-med. Ain't nobody hiring nobody in that.
like to get away from all of that to start somewhere. I understand coming in for that, but if you're gonna come in for that, do something with your life.
How
Go
she
to
gonna
school.
want to not be in the video, but gonna talk anyway because she want her input in it, but won't show her.
Oh
face?
my gosh, this is not cutting this. I know it's some meat in here. I want it.
You got teeth, right?
Oh, but not these teeth. And I'm not going to dental. Let me tell you why. They will not inject no type of HIV in my gums.
Why she petty? Why she asked signing Xavier? She was like, so you went to the dentist today?
What you really got going on?
No, that's what they got going on. That ain't nothing to do with
You
me.
didn't hear?
Mm-mm.
Not Mendoza. The little dental place had they were found using unsterile equipment, so they had to check.
That's why they always, when you get your teeth checked, they be like, well, look at this, return like this. And I said, y'all don't did that last time, girl. Come on and get started now.
Baby, don't get
They
this
had to
over
check
with.
people for HIV.
I ain't got it. I swear.
Look, baby.
I refuse to go back now. Hey, you read on dental. Oh, okay.
Let me tell you, I feel bad for them people who did get it though. Playing with
So
that damn
somebody
dental
got
plate.
it?
Yeah, that's how they found out about it.
Oh, God. That's messed up. But anyway.
Military doctors suck.
Oh my gosh. No, put your face in since you go.
Want to talk? At least. This is Elam, y'all. That's my baby.
I just want a piece of the little potato.
What?
You gonna go back in this video. Anyway, next question. What's your favorite part of being a mom? Being a mom.
Aww.
That is.
It's rewarding.
It's rewarding.
How you know?
As hell. That's another time, Elam. She swear you would think the way she talks, she already got a child.
She ain't got none.
Yet, 2020.
Oh Lord.
I'm
Please.
about to report her.
2020, I'm gonna be pregnant.
I love. I got a little mini me. Oh, I get to dress them up. I get to take her. Okay, I got another mini me right here.
Then what the hell am I? A freaking potato?
Pretty much.
Do y'all see
As
my
I'm
life?
eating a potato.
Do y'all see my life? Y'all see, why can I put them on my taxes? They
Go
want
ahead.
that part to put them on my. You think I'm finna pay back the IRS?
Her face.
I mean,
not our baby, not our baby.
if you claim me, that means I become a dependent and I get out the
Can you put
military.
a nacho right here?
Don't you want one?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Cause I'm tempted to ask her for one.
Go ahead. There's no meat in there.
Well, clearly.
Damn. She's probably slow.
Who had the nerve to get the beans, the mashed up beans? They're gonna be on the toilet.
This question,
No.
y'all. Will you sit on my face one day?
No. Wait, is your face cute and clean? And who is it?
This question is for me.
Oh.
Hell no. Hell. Wait.
Hell to the no, no.
No, 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 no. Hell no.
How much you paying?
What? No, no.
I'm gonna put her Snapchat in somewhere in here, okay?
All right.
Okay, cause
Right at the bottom.
She needs something.
Now you gotta put it in the top right corner, you know.
Top right corner.
Top
Oh,
right
you know
corner.
how this go, huh?
Can we not put my Snapchat out there? I was joking.
It's okay.
She really wants y'all to know her Snapchat. I don't know why she bugging.
No, we good.
Wait, what I was about to say?
Not too sure.
That
You
you
can
can
get-
get $100.
You can get something. You can get something from putting your look on everybody's face. You sure can. You sure can.
Well, my
How you know this?
hasn't been on anyone's
How
face.
you know this?
Because my aunt was a sex education teacher and she made me watch her PowerPoint of STDs. And it's so nasty. You people out here are nasty. Like,
That's why
disgusting. Like,
they gotta wrap the wiki.
Wrap the winky. That's it. Ain't nothing on nobody's mouth. As long as fluids are coming out, you're transmitting something.
Excuse me. This smell has really been. So
Stop lying. I don't know why she be lying to me.
trying to lie on the
She
camera,
ain't
go
gotta lie
whisper.
on the
You
right.
know what whispering? You know what whispering do? Whispering make your breath stink. So she just whispered. She whispered something. Say it louder. Use your STO voice.
I know with them.
Okay, so them all the questions right there, y'all. I can't even see like what the time. Okay, 25 minutes.
Okay.
What's a good time?
It's a long time. I expected 30 minutes, but
Okay.
I don't eat the little
You want me to ask you questions? You want me to ask you questions?
oh god, I don't think you gotta kind of prepare me ahead of time.
No, we're just gonna ask some questions.
Oh god. Please don't ask
Oh
me.
my goodness.
Okay, we're gonna Google some questions.
Google.
I'm gonna try and make sure they're not gross questions.
That I told my joke. You missed it. It was funny.
I ain't got no money on.
What is the most embarrassing thing that happened to you in school?
In school.
I was one of them kids, you know, one of them students that ain't really have a life. My mama ain't let me do nothing, so nobody saw me. Okay, nobody.
And
But no, I'm serious. I can't even think of nothing. All I remember is books.
that was me.
I wasn't even on like a cheer squad or nothing. Like I didn't do nothing, y'all. I wasn't on no book club, like nothing. Damn, mama.
I think the most embarrassing thing that happened to me was when I got in trouble because
I ain't do nothing.
I got in trouble because I was with someone who stole some chicken.
Oh, so she out here with chicken stealing niggas.
And it was sad because they stole a chicken out of somebody's lunch.
Oh, I thought you meant like an actual. For a sec, you said a chicken. I had to wait.
Some chicken, some fried chicken.
So somebody had that for lunch.
Right. It was one of the what's they called, the custodians.
Uh-oh.
And it just so happened that I was after school getting tutored, being a good child.
Just so happened.
It just so happened. First off, I don't eat everybody's food.
Amen.
So, baby, you ain't have to worry about me stealing no chicken.
Next question.
Yes, one more question. We gotta be done.
When you were little, what did you want to be when you grew up? I wanted to be
doctor.
When I told y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Sierra.
Okay, we obviously had different, ambitions.
I wanted to be a pediatric surgeon.
She
Anyway.
couldn't be something so general. A pediatric surgeon. Wait, why you want to go some kids?
That's what they asked me when I was a kid.
If y'all really know her, you want to ask the same damn question.
Because she is evil Knievel.
And then I wanted to be a stripper.
What? Want to live your best life, sis.
Mm-hmm.
We ain't even gonna
Let me get one of them.
live your best life.
Oh, they cold.
And then I wanted to be a mama.
When you was a kid, I was running away.
Everyone,
I
no.
want to be a kid.
I used to tell
am I
people.
old?
I used to tell people all the time. I've been trying for a baby for 15 years. I've been trying to have a baby. Ask me when I lost.
You
my,
like two
Ask me when I lost my virginity.
last year.
2 years ago. Someone said, "Ew, how you trying?"
I lost my virginity 3 years ago.
She trying to be.
Damn, say it like that.
You trying to be a pregnant virgin. Yeah, a pregnant virgin.
Damn, Elam, you couldn't get beef or something?
Right.
She got them things that make your booty run.
That's what I just said.
Really?
Them beans. Yes,
Them beans?
girl.
Beans make your booty run?
Girl, yes,
She
child.
about to say something slick.
No, I wasn't. I was just gonna say, "Don't do that to me." But I'm used to eating them.
But
He need to go to the doctor.
Baby, you don't want to go to this one.
okay, so
But I wanted to be Sierra for real, for real.
I wanted to be a Beyonce at one point.
I used to still,
I made
the
you in a
needles
dub.
that come in a sewing kit. I used to take those and get a syringe and kind of rubber band like it on the end and pretend that I was taking blood. And I remember I pricked myself so bad one day in my finger. Never again. But I still want to be a doctor.
Really?
Now I just don't want shit to do with needles.
My mom, I had to prick
Explains
her
why I'm afraid of
finger.
needles.
I had to prick her finger to take her, because she's diabetic, so we have to take her finger and put the shot in her booty. Mind you, I'm 10 years old. Come on, Mom, give me a finger.
That is so cute.
I'm always like that. I'm such a sweetheart. When someone's sick, like, if you sick, Elam, I'm sick. Y'all saw my medicine bag at work.
I wanted to be Sierra. Sierra.
This beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. Work my body so melodic. This because right through my chest. Everybody, come on and pop it. Came to party. Grab somebody. Work your body, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Bring the party up. Hold on. Hey, let me see you 1, 2 step. I love it when you 1, 2 step. Everybody 1, 2 step. Ooh.
That's all my PT for today, y'all. I'm tired. Lord.
I know.
Hype for like 2 seconds. That was it.
Ooh, gotta put the fan on.
My dude, y'all. I think I got asthma for real.
Look, I know your watch. You done closed the ring. I know you did.
Look, I wasn't at 134 calories when I walked in here, so that was a little something. I got a little sweat on my armpit. Ooh, child, this one how do I need to get out? Too fat for this army.
Me too.
Y'all,
Yeah. But that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.